Hey you guys, we are currently at the Hyatt and we're located downtown Long Beach and we're in room 521 and 522. Mia can't seem to get in over there, but I'm going in over here. So this is the entrance to the room and you walk right in, and the bathroom's here on the left hand side. Come on out. And so this is the room. See what we got here in the closet here. Alrighty. Looks like they got an extra blanket up there. Got an ironing board and iron. They have a safe down there. That's cool. Well, little lights down there on the side of the bed. It's pretty cool. Got a little couch, TV. Comes with a little extra coffee and stuff. Sitting chair. So this is the room here. Give you a different view. And it's not much of a view. I looked out, so that's what's down there. And that is the mall over there. The Pike. So that's it.